so in this video, you're going to learn how to increase your Facebook page likes through sponsored ads. So you're going to open the Facebook app, then ensure you switched into the business page you want to do the promotion. So I'm going to switch into Bright. So this is the page we're going to use for this tutorial video. So once we launch an ad campaign on the Facebook mobile app that would help us to increase our Facebook page like or Facebook page followers. So let's get started. So you click on the menu button at the top right corner. Then you click on Ad Center. These are the options we have when you click on the Ad Center. So firstly, you're going to see Boost a Post, where you could use your post, jobs and events from Facebook or Instagram to create your ads. That is, you've already created the post on your profile, on your business profile. Then you just want to boost from there or on the post. Okay. Next, you could go for the option of to get started with automated ads. Facebook platform will provide recommendations for your ads. So they're going to select the goal and also how you go about your ad campaign. So this is actually recommended by the system. Next, you could start with a goal. So if you have a specific objective you want to focus on or a goal you want to achieve on the platform, so you could go for get more messages, get more leads. You could see that these two are recommended because this is what small businesses actually use to close their deals a lot on the platform. Next, you could see get more website visitors, and the next one is get more people to contact. The next one is get more website purchases, and the last one is get more page likes, which is what we are going for. So the last one is get more page likes. So you click on that. Okay, so you could see that automatically it chose my Facebook page cover. All right, you could also decide to change this if you want. Now, don't forget, before we start editing or setting up our ad campaign, first we need to scroll to the bottom and select the preferred ad account we want to use. If you're a Nigerian, we always recommend use a prepaid ad account. All right, take note of that. We always recommend that you should use a business prepaid ad account. Make sure you don't use the ad account that bears your name on the platform. Okay, so let's select. So we click on ad account. Now we're going to select the preferred ad account. Okay. So let's select the ad account we want to use. So we're going to scroll upwards to select the preferred business prepaid ad account we want to use here. So we're going to use Health01. So we've selected Health01. Okay, so Health01 has been selected. So you could scroll downwards again to confirm. So you could see that they will go upwards again. All right, so if you don't like this creative, which the system has automatically chosen, you could edit it by clicking on the edit button at the top right corner. So you click on edit. Then you could also go for use a post or edit media. Okay, so let's go for edit media. Let's do this one from the scratch. So we click on edit media. So you could decide to choose a photo from your page, or you could also decide to choose from the ad account or your Instagram account. Okay, you could see page images, page videos, add images, add videos. So this actually means ad account images, because you could actually save creatives on the ad account. And you could also select from Instagram or your device. Your device is camera roll. So if you want to select a design from your phone, you could click on camera roll. For this case, we're going to select a picture or a flyer from our Facebook page. So let's click on page images. Alright, so you're going to select one of these. Let's just use this one of these quotes. Okay, you can go for this as well. Alright, let's just use this one. So click on done. Also, you could decide to change the ad text or to edit it. Okay, so you could use whatever you want, but for this ad, I just want to use Business Solution Hub. Okay, then you could also end with like and follow our page. Like and follow us. And follow us for more. Okay, like and follow us for more. Okay, that's pretty much cool. So we're going to wait for the changes to be saved. Changes as reflected on the ad preview. So we click on save changes. so we can move forward with our ad setup. So you scroll down, there you could see that an automatic audience has been selected already for us. It is called Advantage Audience. So it says location in Nigeria, age 18 to 65. So since this is just a page followers we want or page likes we want, I don't really have concerns about who is actually seeing. But if you're more interested in that, you could also do some interest targeting. Maybe you target people who are interested in business or in fashion and etc. But for this one, we want to get as much followers or as much likes as possible, so we're going to leave it the way it is. So this is called broad targeting. So broad targeting basically has to do with the age, the country, no interest targeting, no behavior, and etc. Okay, so we're going to use this broad targeting, as the system calls it, advantage audience. So you could see that its location is people. The location targeting is for people living in Nigeria, age 18 to 65 and above. Okay, so this works best, or this works fine for us. Next, we're going to move to the daily budget. So this is the budget time. Okay, so we could go for 1,476 naira per day. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so we could decide to run this ad for 2 days. Okay, let's just go for 2 days. You can see that for each day we're going to have a reach of 1.5k to 4.3k people per day. All right, so this is the number of persons we're going to reach for that budget. So we are done, we are set. So you could see that running a Facebook page like campaign, or to increase your Facebook followers or likes through ads, is very, very easy. So it's not difficult at all. So once you're done with the setup, you click on promote page. So you can see that the ads has been created. Okay, the creation has been complete. Now the ads is in review. Okay, so you could see all the setup we did. You could also add more funds if you want. You could add more funds here. So that's all. So let's go back and back. Okay, so that's all. We successfully launched an ad campaign which will help us increase our Facebook page followers and likes. So you could also go back to Ads Manager to also track the performance of your ads. So you could close this, then you launch the Ads Manager app, the Meta Ads Manager app on your device. So you could get this app on Play Store or on Apple Store. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the particular ad account we used while creating the campaign on the app. Okay, so I'll search for it. So this is it. Remember, the ad is still in review, so which is why you won't find any active ads. Okay, so you could see our ad that we just launched is in review. Okay, so you could also check the performance from here once the ad starts delivering. Very, very easy. Okay guys, so make sure you visit the description section. We have valid information, very, very important information we want to share with you. There's also a video link that will teach you how to boost your Facebook post on the Facebook app so that you get more engagement. So this particular ad objective focuses on you getting more likes, comments and shares on your post which was published on your Facebook page or on Instagram. So do well to check it out. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.